How to start Bitcoin cloud mining at home, a beginner's guide. This is a short introductory of basics of Bitcoin cloud mining, and I'm going to show you some things that hopefully will enhance your understanding of cryptocurrency and mining Bitcoin specifically. Now, the cloud basically means that it's inside the internet. You don't have to have any type of machines or anything like that. And I explain these things in further details, link in the description below, in a video where people, continue to start understanding what's actually going on now. Bitcoin is going to be basically mined, about 99% of it, in around 2036. It's currently 2024. It's really important that you understand that now's the time to take action to start acquiring Bitcoin for yourself privately. I'm not talking about any ETFs that Wall Street's going to sell you and it's going to tell you that you have Bitcoin on a piece of paper. I'm telling you that you actually need to mine it for yourself and put it in your own personal private cold storage wallet. Okay, cloud mining versus traditional mining methods. Cloud mining is different. You rent mining power from a company that runs the hardware for you. Okay, the benefits are the cost. Cloud mining has lower upfront costs. The space, no need for noisy machines at home. The electricity, the provider pays that power bill, which is a huge part of the expense of mining Bitcoin. And the maintenance, no need to fix or upgrade hardware. And I'm going to show you why here in a minute. Ease of use, start mining with just a few clicks. That's definitely something that you need to take into account. And I'm going to show you several accounts now that I use and I've been using for the past year. Okay, here's my account called Cryptex. It's basically Cryptex Bitcoin staking. Okay, staking's a little bit different than just cloud mining. They're actually mining the Bitcoin because they're acquiring BTC rewards on the blockchain every transaction that they make. But the staking means that you're going to have a little bit longer term investment, if you want to call it that. It's really not an investment, but it's staking Bitcoin inside their platform and then waiting 3 years, 5 years, or 7 years. It's like a long-term CD or certificate of deposit. And as you can see, my profits from staking, and this has been approximately 9 months in this platform, I have generated over $195,000 in profits from actual Bitcoin staking. Then my rewards from promoting it to others or referral affiliate staking has been a significant amount more, about $281,000. Okay, now I know these are huge, significant numbers. I started out with $100, and then I grew it over time, and then I actually started sending other members that were signing up with me some more staking contracts so they could purchase for themselves as well. And it's really just because it becomes a very compounded staking process with this Bitcoin that if you click on the link in the description below, you'll be able to go through the Cryptex process and see that it is very lucrative and it has very unique qualities that are unlike anything that I've ever been a part of before. And let's go to my next platform that has just actually started about 5 months ago. Okay, you can get my information at bitharvest.info. You can also get it by clicking on the link in the description below. I have plenty of videos on the platform of Bitharvest. Now, this is a company that started in April of 2024, and the bottom line is, you can see this in my ebook and some of my specific videos stating why and how Bitharvest is really harvesting in the cloud mining space Bitcoin at a record rate. And you can see that my commissions are pretty strong right now, and this is actually just in the past week of commissions. And what they do, what basically has happened is that the halving of Bitcoin, which is every 4 years, they definitely had a problem in the mining farming space. Now, a lot of these farms of mining Bitcoin have hundreds of computer platforms. Well, in order to be able to continue to hash or create the same Bitcoin profits that they were creating every day, because of the Bitcoin halving, their rewards have been cut in half. So what they would have to do is actually upgrade their computer systems, which would probably cost several $100s for every computer platform that they had. So just imagine if they had 200 computer platforms at this Bitcoin mining farm, that would be a significant amount. That would be $40,000, $50,000, $60,000. Well, this company has a little piece of technology that plugs in to those Bitcoin mining farms and 4x's their hash rate, so that the next halving as well, the next 4 years, the companies that partner with this Bitharvest, the mining farms, are going to be making the same, if not more than they were before, without upgrading any of their platforms and continuing the same cost-effective process that they have been. As you can see, this is my account. I started out with $100. That's all I started out with about 100 days ago. And as you can see, I built it up by promoting it to others as well, but also my rewards. Okay, I started at 37 cents a day in BTC or Bitcoin. Okay, now it's at $8.50 per day, and that's every single day. It doesn't stop. And then I also have affiliate commission rewards, and as you can see today, I made $4,243 on a whale, basically someone who is really getting into this as well and connected through my account, through my promotion, and their intent is to really blow down the doors with earning Bitcoin every day. So it's really important for you to get out there and actually get started. And you can get started with $100. It doesn't take that much. I did. I literally started 100 days ago and started with $100, and I just received a $4,200 in a one-day commission. So it's very possible for anyone. Click on the link in the description below. You can get started for free. You can sign up for free. You can connect with me, and I can start sending you emails and giving you more information. And it will really help you to understand the Bitcoin cloud mining space. That is really important that you get on top of it now, because within 12 years, all the Bitcoin will be mined, and you need to actually get Bitcoin in your private wallet. I'm not talking, as I said before, I'm not talking about anything to do with Wall Street, and I've heard a lot of stories about that, about people getting into NFTs and ETFs, if you want to call them that. And, oh, I have a lot of Bitcoin, but it's on a piece of paper, but they don't really know any more than that. They don't have a private or personal wallet of their own. And that's the problem. You need to store Bitcoin for yourself in your own space as if it was your own bank. So click on the link in the description below, and I will see you on the next video.